In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make 2,000 naira daily in Nigeria. I'm not only going to be showing you guys how to make the money, I'll also be showing you guys proof to tell you by the end of this video, once you're done watching this video and implemented what I taught you in this video, you'll be able to make the same amount of money for yourself. So right now, let's dive in. So you can see right here on my screen, this is a balance of 4,926 naira right here to tell you guys you could literally make the same amount of money you are seeing right here on my screen. So right now, I'm going to be reloading my screen right now to tell you this is not some screenshots or whatever. So right now, let me reload the screen for you guys to see that this is real money and I'm not faking any kind of thing right here in this. So right now I'm going to be clicking on the reload button at the corner right here, and I'm going to click on reload, and let's just wait for the screen to reload right now. And it's going to reload right now, and you can see right here is reloading, and boom, yeah, you can see right here it's done reload. And if I scroll down right here, you can see right here the money is still intact. I still got 4,926 naira right now. So all I just want you right now is to pay close attention to all the things I'm going to be teaching you right here in this video. So right now, the first thing is to pick a product to sell, because that is the only way you could make money online. In order to make money online, you need to either sell something or offer something or offer a kind of skills in exchange for something. So how I made that money you guys saw on my screen was just selling a product, and there are different kind of products you could sell. Number one, you could either sell a digital product or sell a physical product. So right now, I know you guys may be thinking, what is digital product? Digital product are kind of product to sell online and you're going to make money off this. So this digital product could either be a software, it could be an ebook, it could be a courses, and many more. So why the physical product are the kind of product you sell physically and you're going to get paid for that. So the physical product could either be a bag, it could be a shoe, it could be a cap, it could be anything at all that you could sell online. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to be focusing on selling digital products, because that was how I was able to make the money you guys saw earlier on my screen. And I know you guys may be wondering, okay, what kind of product did I sell to make that money you guys saw earlier? The product I sold was an ebook, and I know a lot of you guys may be thinking, okay, I don't know how to write an ebook. Don't worry, I got you covered, because in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get the ebook for free without paying a dime. All you just need right now is to go over to this platform called Free PLR Download. You can see right here on my screen, it's called Free PLR Download. I'm going to be typing it right here on my screen. So you can see right here, I'm going to click on it and it's going to load up. So it's going to be the first website you're going to see right here on your screen. So guys, just click on the website right here. Just click on this first website you're going to be seeing right here on your screen right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website right here. And once you are on the website, what you need to do basically is to pick a product you know people are going to be interested in. So you need to keep in mind that the product you're going to be picking is going to be solving other people's problem. So right now, what I mean by solving other people's problem is, by that is you need to pick a niche, and there are different kind of categories of niches in this website that you could pick. So right now, you can see right here there are different kind of niches you could pick on this website. So if I scroll down a bit right now, if I go over to their category section, you're gonna see different kind of niches right here. There's affiliate marketing niche, there is blogging niche, there's article writing, there's business, there's copywriting, there's email marketing, there's entrepreneur and finance, there's dating and health. So you could literally pick a kind of book you know you are gonna like, a kind of book people are gonna be interested in. And by the way, there are different kind of books on this website that you could pick, that you could sell to make a lot of money for yourself. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be picking the health niche. So I will be downloading the weight loss book. So this book is basically going to be teaching people how to lose weight, because I know there are a lot of people out there who is looking to lose weight. So guys, once you find a book you know you like, you could click on the book right now to download the book. So right now, for me right now, I'm going to be typing weight loss right here. I'm going to click on the search bar and type in weight loss right now. So you guys can see right here, this is the weight loss book right here. I'm just going to click on it right here to download the book. I'm going to scroll down a little bit right here. You're going to see an option where you could download the book. Just click on the download option right here, and the book is going to be downloaded to your phone right now. Once you are done downloading the book, we're going to be moving up to the step 2 of the video, which is to set our landing page. So right now, we're going to be creating a landing page. So if you do not know what a landing page is a page you could use to collect payment from those who are interested in buying your book, and also they could also get access to the book once they make a payment for it. So in order to create a landing page right now, all you need right now is to head over to this website called paystack.com. So once you're on the paystack.com website right now, all you need right now is to create a free account for yourself right now. So once you click on create free account, it's going to ask you to fill in your address, fill in your password, fill in your email, your first name and your last name, and you're going to be done creating an account. So right now I'm going to assume you guys already created an account for yourself. You see right here, it's simple to create an account on paystack.com. So all you need right now is to put in your country, your business name, your phone number, your last name, your email address and your phone number, then put in a password, then scroll down a little bit and create a starter business for yourself right now. And once you're done with that, you could agree with their terms and conditions. So once you agree with their terms and conditions, just click on create my account. So right now I'm going to assume you guys already created an account, so I'll be logging into my Paystack account right now to show you guys how to set up the landing page properly for yourself. So once you already created an account on Paystack, this is how your account is going to look like. Basically, you're going to see how much you have made today, and all your earnings is going to be right here on your dashboard. So you don't have to create an account, you don't have to create a landing page on Paystack. All you just need is to scroll down a little bit right now and click on this dashboard menu right here. So once you click on the dashboard menu, it's going to pop up different kind of things you could do on Paystack. All you just need right now is to click on products. So once you click on products, it's going to take you to another page where you could create a landing page for yourself. So let's just wait for it to load right here, and you can see right there it's loading up, and let's just wait for it to load. So guys, it's done loading right now. All you need right now is to click on this new product right here to create a product for yourself. That's to create a landing page for your book. So all you need right now is to put in the name of the book. So for the purpose of this tutorial, because I'm promoting a weight loss book, I'm going to be putting weight loss right here as the title. So right now I just named the book on how to lose weight fast. So once you are done writing the title for your book, you need to put in the description. You can see right here I said in this book I'm going to be teaching how to lose weight fast. Then once you are done with that, you need to put in your book price. That is the amount you want to sell your book. Like I told you earlier, I said you are going to make a lot of money from the method I'm about to teach you right here. So right now you could decide to set the kind of price you want to sell your book. You could decide to sell your book for 1,000 naira. You could decide to sell your book for 2,000 naira. So right now I will be selling my ebook for just 2,000 naira. So you only need one sales right now in order to make 2,000 naira. So once you make 2 sales, that is 4,000 naira. So the more sales you make, the more money you make. So right now I'm going to put in my price for 2,000 naira right here. So once you're done putting in your price, just click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to take you to another section right now. So it's going to take you to this section where you'll be asked to put in an image of your book. So right now, once you're done downloading the book, you're going to see a cover in the ebook. So all you need right now is to upload the cover you're going to see in that book right here to this place. Just click on add new media, and once you click on add new media, you'll be able to upload a cover of the book. Once you are done uploading the cover of your book right here, all you need right now is to go to this menu called after purchase. So this is where you're going to be setting how the customer could download your ebook. So you could either redirect them to a kind of link whereby they'll be able to download the ebook. All you just need is to click on this after purchase section right here, and you could also decide to put in a welcome message. So once they already buy your book, they're going to send them Paystack is going to send them a welcome message, and from there they could download the book. So right now let me preview the book to show you guys how the book looks like. So guys, you can see right here, this is how the landing page is going to look like. So all you just do right now is to copy the link of this landing page right now. So right now we're going to be moving up to the step 3 on how you could get people to buy the book. So right now, once you need to do is to send this link to people right now. So people could literally pay for the book. They'll just click on this pay menu right now, and once they click on the pay menu, they'll be able to fill out their details, their phone number, their email address and all. And once they click on this review payment right now, they are going to be they're able to pay for your book, and then from there they'll be able to download your book right now. So like I said earlier, that I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get people to buy this book. So right now the traffic source we're going to be using right now is called Facebook group. So all you need right now is to go over to the Facebook search bar and search for whatever name related to your book. For example, I'm promoting a weight loss book right now, so I'll be searching weight loss. So if you're promoting a make money online book, you're gonna search make money online. So you could usually search whatever books or on your title. So right now I'm gonna be searching weight loss because I'm promoting a weight loss related book. So because I'll be promoting this book to people who are interested in losing weight, so I'll be searching for weight loss group right here. So it's going to load up, and you can see right here, these are almost 100,000 people who are interested in losing weight. So once you already join this group, first you need to join this group right now. So once you join this group right now, you're going to see a lot of people who are interested in losing weight. So this is where you're going to come in. So right now you need to start messaging them one after the other. You need to start making friends with them. Then once you start making friends with them, don't just try to sell to them immediately once you first meet them. You need to start making friends with them. You need to build up a relationship. You need to get them to trust you. So once you get them to trust you as a friend, you could try ask them that, okay, Are you interested in losing weight, or do you have someone who is interested in losing weight? For example, let me use this guy as an example. So I'm going to type in, okay, hi, what's up? I'm going to, you need to try to make some connections with them. You need to make some friends with them. So once you start chatting them up, you started talking to them, then from there you could tell them that, okay, do you want to lose weight? Because then you could tell them, okay, you have a book that could help them lose weight fast. Then from there you're going to send them the link to the book. So once you send them the link to the book and they make a purchase for the book right there, you're going to be making money for yourself. I hope you guys have gotten any value from the video. If you know you did, make sure you give this video a like, and don't forget to smash that red subscribe button below. So if you want to learn how you could use the same similar method right now to make 480,000 naira every single month for yourself by just studying digital products online, I would advise you check out the link in the description right now. It's going to be the first link you're going to be seeing down in the description right now. To get my full training where I'll be walking you through, guys, how you could make 480,000 naira with your phone by just selling products online, by selling digital products online. So if you also want to learn more ways you could make money online, you could check out this video popping right here on your